Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Waldorf salad. This classic dish is a delightful blend of crisp textures and refreshing flavors, perfect for any occasion. We will start by gathering our core ingredients: 2 types of apples, fresh celery, and crunchy walnuts. The simple, creamy dressing brings everything together beautifully, creating a harmonious and satisfying side dish or light meal. Let's get started on this timeless recipe. Now let's prepare our ingredients. First, wash and core 2 medium apples, dicing them into half-inch pieces. You can use both red and green varieties for color and flavor. Next, thinly slice 2 celery stalks. For the walnuts, lightly toast 1 cup in a dry pan over medium heat for about 5 minutes until fragrant, then let them cool. Finally, whisk together 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and a dash of salt and pepper for our simple dressing. With all your ingredients prepped, it's time to assemble our Waldorf salad. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine the diced apples, sliced celery, and the cooled, toasted walnuts. Next, pour the creamy dressing you just made over the fruit and nut mixture. Using a spatula, carefully fold all the ingredients together until they are evenly coated. This ensures every bite is bursting with flavor. For the best taste, cover the bowl and chill the salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. To serve your delightful Waldorf salad, spoon it onto a bed of fresh lettuce leaves for an elegant presentation. For a twist, you might consider adding 1 cup of halved red grapes for a burst of sweetness, or even some cooked, shredded chicken for a heartier meal. Garnish with a few extra walnut halves or a sprinkle of fresh parsley to add a final touch. Any leftover salad can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days, maintaining its freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.